An effort to ensure the peaceful and orderly conduct of elections, the Philippine National Police, or PNP, has started taking steps to ensure such goal is achieved. Among them is the removal of several security personnel for VIPs. Why? Ryan Lestigas explains in this report.
More than 800 personnel of the Philippine National Police or PNP assigned as security to various personalities, politicians and government officials have been recalled in conjunction with the upcoming elections. According to Police Regional Office 3 Director and PNP spokesperson, Police Brigadier General Jean Fajardo, 445 were removed from the government officials, 228 from private individuals and 197 from candidates. Fajardo stated that if an individual faces a life threat, they may be granted a 1-month extension by the PNP while their application for authorization from the COMELEC is being processed. These individuals may also hire protective agents from licensed private security agencies, but only a maximum of 2 guards will be allowed.
Yung pong mga na-recall po ma'am, yung mga na-assign po dito sa main office po ng PSPG, according to General Nestor Babagay po, yung director po ng PSPG, they will undergo refresher course po para kung matapos po ang eleksyon ay po pwede po iluwi silang i-deploy doon po sa mga kailangan pong bigyan po ng protective security. For those na mga naka-assign po sa mga region ay i-distribute po sila at gagamitin po sila for election duties para maging karagdagang tauhan po ng mga territorial police.
The recall of PNP police security personnel is part of policies implemented during elections to keep the police force non-partisan and free from politics.
Yan pong mga protection agent po na yan ay dapat po ay may hawak po sila na lisensya to exercise their profession po at dapat ay sila po ay empleyado po ng mga tinatawag po natin ng mga private detective agencies. Other than that po, mga individual na mga private individuals po ay hindi po pwedeng gawing bodyguard po ng sinumang tatakbo, especially while we are under the COMELEC election election period.
Meanwhile, the PNP's enhanced COMELEC checkpoint operations continue. In fact, authorities have already seized 93 firearms, while nearly 100 individuals have been arrested for violating the nationwide COMELEC gun ban. Of the total arrest, 33 were apprehended at checkpoints, 10 in buy-bust operations, 39 during police responses, and 3 during search warrant operations. Among those arrested were 78 civilians, 3 security guards, 2 AFP personnel, 1 Bureau of Corrections employee, and 1 appointed government official from BARMM.
Yung iba naman po sir ay may mga pinapakita po ng mga license to own and possess firearms at mga firearms registration, pero pinapaliwanag po natin na since nag-start na po yung election period, only those individuals po na meron po silang exemption sa COMELEC, kahit na po sila ay meron po silang permit to carry firearms outside the residences and places of business po, ay sanctioned po, at least covered po sila ng gun ban.
According to the DILG, the PNP has established over 6,000 checkpoints nationwide since January 12. DILG Secretary John Vic Rimulya stated this is part of strategic measures to address peace and safety concerns for the 2025 national and local elections. Ryan Lestigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines, Kamkrame.